On guys, good morning. Another video again here. We got my Acura TSX 2004. The driver caliper decided to go out, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it and show you how to do it, so you don't have to pay a local mechanic. So if you guys wouldn't mind, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and as well enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in a bit. Without further ado, let's start this video up. Really, all you need to do this job, you can use a socket with a ratchet, or you can use one of these. I really just used this right over here. Really, 14, 17. Use this to hold the caliper over. And then this to just clamp the brake line. Literally, that's all I use to do this job. So you can do it. You guys don't have to pay a local mechanic, guys. Save yourself a couple dollars. Watch my video, subscribe, and like to my channel, and you guys will learn a few things. And like I said, you don't have to pay a mechanic ever again. Do it yourself. Here we are. This is your caliper right over here. What we're gonna do is turn the wheel towards this way so we can see more of where we're gonna be working at. Four main bolts that we're going to be working with. This is your bracket caliper right over here. This is your bracket bolt. This is a 17. There's one on the top as well. Right up here, there's one right here as well. So that's what holds in your caliper. That's the bracket for the caliper. You got 14mm bolts, one on the bottom, one up top. So we're gonna just go ahead and remove those bolts just like that, loose. For the top one, just like that, loose. Remove these bolts on there. That's your second bolt. For me to do with both hands, but first what you want to do is wiggle this out just like that. And then you want to take a hanger or some type of coat hanger, anything that will hang it, put it through here, and then just hang it up in the straw or somewhere where you can put it secure, so you can go ahead and take the bracket off safely, and you don't break the line. The reason why I do this, so you don't break the line here. Get a better view of what it looks like without the caliper. And then this is the bottom bolt here, 17. Same thing up top. Take it out, and the bracket just comes out. Like that, one bolt's down. Drop. I'm holding the camera at the same time, so it is what it is. Doing it for the video. Oh, it didn't drop. Alright, just like that. That's your brake bracket right over here. The brake caliper bracket. Somebody picked me up, so we can go ahead and get this part at O'Reilly's. Also, guys, if you guys want a discount at O'Reilly's in North Connecticut, use my account CGFix, and you guys will get a 10% discount. Again, so I appreciate you guys subscribing, liking to the channel, and just keep watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video. I'm in a freebie, and I'll go ahead and bleed it as well, so I can show you how to bleed the brake as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clamp down the brake line while I go to the store, so this thing won't leak out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clamp it real tight somewhere, you know, enough not to break it or crack it. I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. It's a 10mm bolt for that, and we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Let's go. Bolt right over here for the line. It's gonna be a 14mm, so we're gonna go ahead and use it. And a 14, but I prefer these just because it's much easier. It makes life much easier with these things right here. With certain jobs, you know, it just makes it much easier. So I use one of these, but you can also use ratchets as well with a socket. But let's take this line out. We got that loose. Just gonna go ahead. It's gonna drip a little bit, so if you want to get an oil pan or anything, but right now at this point I really don't care right now. But get an oil pan just in case, because this thing's gonna drip, or something to catch, like a catch pan. Like that, comes off. Make sure you don't lose these washers, because you're gonna need one. It's one in the bottom, and one goes on top where the bolt screws in. So make sure you save them just in case, you know, the calipers don't come with it, or the brake pads. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do. So just be safe and just go ahead and save these. Don't lose them. From here, and there is your brake caliper. Oh, that's what I was saying. It's gonna drip. So go ahead and just stand it up like this, so it won't drip. Like that. And down. There's no oil coming out at all. No oil. So go ahead and clamp it down before you take it out, just so you save yourself a mess. And I'm just gonna wait for my buddy to come through, pick me up, and get a new caliper. Let's install this caliper and brake pads, and we should good to go. Hey, you came to the rescue. It's time for the camera. Say something to people on YouTube.
Hey, what's up, amigos?
Well, you know, out here he's gonna come help me get the caliper and get this bleeding. The new caliper. If you guys wanna go ahead and go to O'Reilly's Auto Parts, you use my account, my commercial account, CGFix. You get a 10% discount. And we're gonna go ahead and install it and go right to the garage. And David's gonna help me. You already know, David.
Amigos.
Let's go. What you want to do when you get your new caliper, let's go ahead and remove the caliper itself from the bracket. So you can install the bracket first, and then you install your caliper. And ICs as well. This area right over here. so you guys don't have any problems with rust in the future when you gotta replace them again, or just so they can slide in general.
Don't make no noise.
And it'll make no noise as well. Brackets on. Slide in your caliper. Install your brake pads. Go ahead and drop down the caliper. But not least, guys, you're gonna go ahead and put the brake line back on.
Over here.
Yep, so he's saying, guys, remember to put these washers back on. One goes on the top of the bolt right here and one goes at the end piece. Don't forget to put those washers, if not you're gonna have a major leak. So that's how you install your brake and caliper bracket as well. We're gonna go ahead and bleed it out. I'm gonna do my best to get the best angle so we can show you how to bleed it as well. But let's get ahead and start it so we can finish this job and be ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pump it 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put it down. Go ahead.
Alright.
As you see, when he releases over there the pressure, your foot goes all the way down. So we're gonna do that at least 3 more times, and so we should be good to go. Second time pumping it, as you can see, it releases. See, when he loosens it, you're gonna see the liquid is gonna come out. It should be splatting out smoothly. I can't get the angles right, but you're gonna see that's gonna come out, and then you're gonna do at least 3 more times. When you feel that pressure of that brake pedal, when it feels good enough, you're good to go. All right, you're gonna see all the liquids coming out. It's coming out smooth, so it's ready to go. Bada bing, bada boom. David, you already know. If you guys learn how to change the brake caliper as well, bleed the brakes. I didn't go into depth on how to bleed the brakes because I need camera angles and technical difficulties. I don't have my tripod, but it is what it is. I hope you guys like the video. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and also I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.